Okay guys, we're going to do the knit stitch. Okay, last video is about purl stitch. Okay, now I will teach you how to do um, knit stitch. Okay, knit is KNIT stitch. Okay, knit stitch is going from up to front. Look, purl stitch is from here, right, going like that. That's a purl stitch. But now knit stitch is going down, like cross, like that. Okay, but this thread need to be in front. See, this yarn need to be in front of the needle, and you have to put this inside like that, and then you have to like that, right? And then slowly you have to help by, okay, by the help of your fingers, you have to slowly put this one down, grab, and then go, this one push down and give up. Okay, that's a knit stitch. Again, going down, but this one is need to be in front. Okay, going down and yarn over, and then you have to slowly bring the yarn here and give up. Okay, again, need to be going down. Look, the hook is going down from here, going down. Look, this is one stitch, going down and do that, and grab and give up. This give up, you need to push this one down. Okay, more. Oh, it's give up. You have to be careful not missing one stitch. If you see fall off stitch, you can get again and put inside like that. Okay, because we cannot avoid that, you know. And then you do it again, knit stitch, going down, but this one is in front. Remember that it's in front, the yarn will be in front, so that will become nip stitch. Purl stitch is at the back, right? Remember when we do the purl stitch, it's from out, from behind. Oh, like that, and then go inside. Make it slowly. Okay, this stitch, this one need to put inside here. Look, this one chain here, put like that, and then this one need to be like that, and then you have to hold here, because you will grab this using this. You have to going down and slowly, and you get the thread, right? And you have to push this one to give up. Okay, next you have to put this inside, and then grab your yarn, and then you have to slowly, look, you have to grab your yarn, but your finger here will be holding also. Okay, look, I get this, and then like that. Oh, scoop. No, if you don't, and then you see directly, you can put inside and yarn, and then you have to agar slowly. This one need to, the hook need to get the this one, look, and then you have to hold like that and give up. Okay, last, get in and like that, and need to be, this one is the one who holds, you know, or which fingers you are comfortable to hold, like that, and then give up. So we finish our knit stitch. That's a knit stitch, guys. Okay, the last video we made purl stitch. Guys, we finish our knit stitch. This will make our knit stitch. This one, look. And purl stitch. The knit stitch is this like just like a shell, and this knit stitch is just like a V shape, like just like a V, like that. And this is our beginning to make a hat, a casual, a scarf. This is the starting. So knitting is made of knit stitch, purl stitch, and cast on. Okay, next video we will make a scarf or a winter hat or whatever I can think. Okay, see you on my next video, guys. I will upload this soon. Thank you very much. Thank you.